brush the hair? You got a brush over there. Brush the goat, not your hair, the goat's hair. Not your hair, the goat's hair. Like this. Yeah. You brushed the hair. Not your hair, not your hair, the goat's hair. Yeah, brush. Yeah, brush it. Yeah? You want to brush that one hair? That one over there. Not yours, Brantley. Not yours. Yeah, brush the goat.
No goat.
No goat?
More?
That. Is that a goat? That goat's eating. Yeah. You want to pet it? Gentle. They're gentle. There you go. There's another one. It's gentle. You can pet that one. That's Napoleon. Yeah. Go say hi to him. You want to pet the sheep? Nice. That one's sleeping. Nice. 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 Gentle.
I know, that's how I am too. Hello, welcome to the farmyard. You want to come pet Squall? He's the softest goat we have.
Go pet this one. Go pet that one. Oh, he's soft. Oh, that one's eating my shirt.
Haley.
That's Sean the sheep. Say, hey, sheep. Be nice. Pet it gently. Say, hi, Sean. Sean's sleeping. Sean's tired. Say, hi, Sean. Hey, sheep.
Mariani, watch out.
Watch out, sheep. Say, wake up, sheep. Sheep's taking a nap.